Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming into the conventional form of treatment or allopathic form of treatment. Here we're going to discuss about PCOS and its cofactors like hyperlipidemia, high BP, or you can also call it as hypertension. And then we are going to also discuss about blood sugar level, which is type 2 diabetes. But we're not going to discuss specially about the management or the medicines that they will be giving for miscarriage, because here we are talking about PCOS. So if PCOS can be managed in a proper manner, then miscarriages can be prevented. So we are talking about PCOS as a package here. So PCOS primarily can trigger blood pressure or can cause blood pressure. They will be giving you ACE inhibitors and beta blockers for that. For hyperlipidemia, they can be giving you statins, as well as for your blood sugar to be controlled, they'll be giving you metformin. So what is the problem in taking all of these medications is that they come with a side baggage or side effects. What are the side effects of metformin? It can trigger muscle loss, okay? And then about statins and beta blockers, as soon as you start using them, and if you're not taking any sort of management control over your diet, as well as your anger, or as well as your hormonal issue, these will always be the tag sisters of PCOS, right? If PCOS is improperly managed, no matter how much you manage these things, nothing is going down, or you have to use these medications for lifelong. So how do you manage PCOS? PCOS can be managed through hormonal contraceptives. It can be managed through metformin, which is type 2 diabetes, anti-androgen medications, and ovulation inducers. The problem with hormonal contraceptives is that if you are trying to get pregnant, or if you want to get pregnant, this might not be a great option because it comes with side effects. Even though if you're not trying to get pregnant or conceive, it has its own side effects, which is weight gain, a lot of weight gain, and then acne prone skin, hair fall can happen, and along with that many people have other side effects, like if they stop taking pills in between 2 or 3 days, they can experience intermenstrual bleeding as well, okay? And then it does not cure the condition, it will just help you to manage at a surface level. And then we have this metformin, which we have already talked about, and then we have anti-androgens and ovulation inducers. The problem with this anti-androgens and ovulation inducers is that as soon as you stop taking these medications, this excess androgen will again bounce back, and this anovulation cycles will again bounce back. You might experience irregular periods again. There is no cure as such in conventional form of treatment. It is just managing the symptoms at a certain level, and if you're not regular with your medication, the condition can worsen as well. There is no promised cure in allopathic form of treatment for PCOS, but there is an other kind of treatment which will help you manage your menstrual cycle, which will control your hormonal imbalances, which can treat the tendency to abortion, as well as have lower recurrences if you stop the medication, or if you complete the full course of it, and then there is the lowest rate of recurrence compared to other systems of medicines, which is nothing but homeopathic form of medication. So in homeopathic form of medication, there is no side effects of homeopathic form of medication. It's completely safe to use. It's effective in nature. It will give you better health. How will it give you a better health? Here we will be understanding, of the homeopathic doctor will evaluate your case at a deeper level and understand the link. So what is the link here? The link is that there is a link between your sleep cycle, between your pattern of your thoughts, between the way you express yourself, between in the way you behave, in the way you collaborate with others. So there is a pattern. Each one of us is very individualistic in nature. So if we study that pattern and link it to your physical symptoms, we will be able to obtain a drug which is tailor-made for you, and it will fit all of your problems. And the problems like menstrual irregularities, your hormonal imbalances, your problem with the fertility, the tendency to have miscarriage on the second or the third month, and also the mood swings that you're experiencing and the stress that you're experiencing, and it will help in your weight loss as well as to induce sleep also. So it will manage all the symptoms and give you better life. That is much important, right? and apart from all of this, it will help in relieving the present condition, curing your case, and it will prevent further recurrences in a safe, effective manner, so that you will experience good health in a timely fashion. Your symptoms will start to disappear, and you will experience full length of health. That is very, very important if you're someone who's experiencing lifestyle disorders. If you're someone who's experiencing female reproductive organ diseases, we have told you how homeopathy has a better shot at curing these diseases. In homeopathy, Fidicus homeopathy gives you a much better shot at health. Here we have two kinds of consultation options. One is offline consultation option or in-person consultation option, and the other one is the online consultation option. If you're someone who's staying near the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person or offline consultation. And if you're someone who's staying far away from us, you can contact us online either through audio call or through the video call. And after the consultation process and taking your case and investigating your reports, especially to online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying elsewhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us with any of your problems that you're suffering right now, you can contact us on this number. Call us, WhatsApp us, or messages. And if you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're someone who is experiencing female reproductive organ diseases like PCOD, PCOS, dysmenorrhea, bulky uterus, it can be hemorrhagic cyst or ovarian cyst, chocolate cyst, endometriosis, adenomyosis, bulky uterus, as well as fibroids, Fidicus Homeopathy is the answer. Why? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. Primarily, the first one being we are already experiencing a lot of patients who are visiting our clinic and are getting good success rate in treating them. We have high success rate in treating them and curing these diseases. Apart from that, there is transparent treatment here at Fidicus Homeopathy. What do you mean by that? There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here the prognosis is very clearly explained to you. The personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch. How? We will be answering all of your questions and busting all of your myths. So if you want to treat yourself in a proper manner, if you are seeking for cure, if you are seeking for health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy.
Fidicus Homeopathy.